Good morning guys. Today we are going to start second lecture of minor method. So let's get started. If A is given like this, it's a 4 order 4 matrix and we know that we can't solve modulus, I mean to say mod of A, which is in order 4 by minor method. So let's see the question carefully. We have to solve A square. Let's get started. First of all we have to write given things like A is given like that, which is a square matrix of order 4. Then what A square means? A square means A into A. A into A means A matrix multiplied by A matrix. So let's multiply. A square is equals to A into A. So what I am doing here, I am writing here A and writing here A also. So I know it is 4 order 4 matrix, it's also 4 order 4 matrix, so the answer which I get is also in 4 order 4 matrix. I also know that. I am helping you to how to multiply a 4 order 4. I am doing this with just one row and all columns of the matrix. Just giving you hint how to multiply two matrices of 4 order 4. You already know how to multiply 3 order 3 matrix. Now I am telling you how to multiply 4 order 4 matrix. So this is your row 1. This is your column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. As we know, we write order into like this. We write order like this or not. We write order like this, row into column. So can I multiply this whole row with all columns? What that means? If I am writing here 2 is outside and writing here 3 minus x, what I will do? I multiply 2 first of all with 3. 2 3 is 6 minus 2 minus x, that is minus 2x. So I multiply with the whole bracket. So here I have to multiply with whole columns, only one row. So I am starting to do it. What I am doing, 0 into 0, that is 0. What sign I use here? Plus. 1 into 0, first with first, second with second. 0 into 0, that is 0. 1 into 0, that is 0. 0 into 0, that is 0. 0 into 0 is 0. Now first row with second column. 0 into 1, that is 0. 0 into 1, that is 0 into 1, that is 0. 1 into 0, that is 0. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 0. So here's also zeros. 0 into 0, that is 0. 1 into 1, that is 1. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 0, 0. So here I also write 0 into 0. So next is I am writing along that row. So 0 into 0, that is 0. 0 into 0, that is 0. 1 into 0, that is 0. 0 into 1, that is also 0. Yes, also 0. And 0 into 0, that is also 0. 0 into 1 is 0. So what I get here, 0 0 0. So my first element is 0. A 1 element. This is also 0. This is 1 because here is 1 1. Because why it comes 1? Because 0 into 0 0. 1 into first row with third column. 1 into 1, that is 1. So here 1 comes, here 0 also. So here it comes 0 0 1 0. So how we can solve it? Same. Row 2 with all columns, row 3 with all columns, row 4 with all columns. Same as 3 order 3 matrix multiplication. Now let's get started here. Here I write how I multiply. Row 1, row 2, row 3 multiply with column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. Column not changes in the matrices. Now let's start it. If I am writing this, here row 1 and row 2 are two non-zero rows. This gives me the touch of second method, which is called as elementary operation. That number of non-zero rows is equals to the rank of matrix. So here 2 is the number of non-zero rows. So my answer is 2. But I have to explain it in minor method form. So how I write it? If I see here, these two are identical. Also 0 rows are also identical. So my 4 order vanish. Also if I made a 3 order 3, this 3 order 3. So it also vanishes because 3 rows are identical. Or also 3 order vanish, 2 order vanish, only this left. I am choosing this one because I have to choose non-zero answer. 1 into 1, that is 1, minus 0, that is 1. Okay, number of non-zero rows are 2, that's why my answer is 2. I have to write in this form: row A is less than equals to 2 and greater than equals to 2, which does not vanish. If you do not see our first lecture, then see it how I write it. I just consider a non-zero minor part of the given matrix which I solved. This is your A square. Is that clear to you now? Find AB, BA, A plus B by minor method. A is given, B is given, AB. This is your A, this is your B. See here, this column 1, this column 3 are identical. That means I am multiplying A with 0. So my answer comes out to be 0. That's how you can verify your answer, AB. So I am starting to multiply. You know how to multiply 3 order 3. 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1. Now second element with this first column, first column second element, 1 into 6, that is plus 6, minus 1 into 5, that is minus 5, 1 into minus 2, that is minus 2, 1 into 12, that is plus 12, that is minus 1 into 10, that is minus 10, 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1, 1 into 6, that is 6, and minus 1 into 5, that is minus 5. Okay, so by solving this I got this answer, which is a zero matrix named as a null or empty matrix in your book. I don't know what's named in your book, but I means as a zero matrix. So here row AB comes out to be 0, because we already know that for a zero matrix the rank, the smallest or maximum, yeah, you can minimum rank for this matrix is 0. Now BA, as we know, AB is not equals to BA. We studied it in this thing in lower classes. So if it comes to be 0, then it should not be 0. So we have to solve this. It's B, it's A. When I am solving this, minus 1 into 1, that is minus 1, minus 2 into 2, that is 2 to the 4, minus 4, this is minus 2 and this is plus 2, that's why minus 4, minus 1 into 3, that is minus 3, minus 1 into 1, that is minus 1, minus 2 into minus 3, that is plus 6, because it contains minus 2 into minus 3, so minus minus cancelled, that's why it get to 3 as 6, that is in plus. Okay, so minus 2 into minus 3, that is plus 6, minus 1 into minus 2, that is plus 2, because minus 1 minus 2 minus minus cancels, 1 into 2, that is 2. Minus 1 into minus 1, that is plus 1, because minus minus cancel or 1 get out. Or minus 2 into 4, that is 8 with minus sign, because one number contain minus sign. Minus 1 into 3, that is minus 3. Okay, when I am solving it, BA comes out to be this. Here I am using row operation. Row operation is used in your used in your reference book, but we have to do this by this mode method. If you use row operation, you will solve it easily. You have identical. If you, this is your row 1, this is row 2, row 3. If you minus row 3 minus R1, you get same row as row 2, mean identical rows, and then you know your mode is 0. If you solve this given after multiplying BA, if you solve this in minor method, you also get 0. Don't be tensed if you not remember. You have to use here row operation or column operation. You have to just do one thing, do the mode, and you got 0. So also every minor of 2 vanishes. Why every minor of 2 vanishes? Because here's I got identical rows, or also when I solve 3 order, then I solve 2 order, I also got 1 order vanish. Okay, you clearly see that it will be vanish. Okay, that is 4 to 0 by multiplying it, and that is also 4 to 0. So here if I do 2 order 2, that gives me 760, that is 4 to 0, or that is minus plus 4 to 0, that is minus that is plus, so that is also minus 4 to 0, which comes up to be 0. So it also comes out to be 0 in 2 order 2. So every minor of 3 order and 2 order vanish here. That's why I write the smallest rank of a matrix. You already know the smallest rank of a matrix is equals to that much. Okay, so that's the smallest rank of the matrix. Now it's maybe clearly seen now. That's it. Okay, the smallest rank of any non-zero matrix is 1. Now A plus B. Here I write A, here plus, you know corresponding elements are plus 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1, that is 0. I am plussing them. 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1, that is minus 2. 2 plus 6, we have to plus corresponding element. 2 plus 6, that is 8. Minus 3 plus 12, that is 9. Smaller number contains minus sign, which does not affect your answer. 4, 6. 4 plus 6, that is 10. 3 plus 5, that is 3 plus 5, that is 8. Minus 2 plus 10, that is 8. Why it is in plus sign? Because smaller number contains negative sign, which does not affect your matrices or number, which comes out to be 3 or 5. 3 plus 5, that is 8. Okay, a plus b comes out to be this. If you solve here mode of this matrix without applying operation, you also got 0. If you apply this row operation, you also got 0. So row a b is equals to 2. Why it comes out to be 2? Because if I do mode of this not non-zero numbers, I am getting mode of non-zero number. 0, -1, 8, 9. I am getting this on which I apply operation, or maybe you say that which is which comes out to be my matrix. -1 into 8. It's my original matrix. If you don't apply this, you also get the same result. If you do mod of this, you got 0. If you do minor of this, you do not get 0. -1 into 8, that is plus 8, which is non-singular because here we write minus. Okay, minus, that is -8. So that is minus plus. So 8 not equals to 0. So here's row a b is equals to 2. Is that clear to you? Now some conceptual questions of minor method. Let's get started. If A is n row square matrix, n row mean it has too many rows. It has n rows. What are rows? These are rows. These are your rows, and there are n rows of rank. Rank is n minus 1. N minus 1. N rows minus 1. N minus 1. Show that adjoint A is not equals to 0. As we know, rank is less than. You also know, if I am solving a 3 order 3 matrix, it comes out to be 0. It comes out to be 0. Then it means it may be 2 or 1. It may be 2 or 1. Means n minus 1. 3 minus 1. 3 is your order. Order minus 1. That is 2 or 1. Something about this. Yeah, 2, yeah, 2, 1. Okay. If I am having a matrix. Okay. So now I am writing some things, some conceptual things. There is one minor of order n minus of A which does not vanish. As we know, we have one answer of a non-zero matrix. If here I write a zero matrix, zero square matrix, then I will say that it has no answer. But here I write n row square matrix. I don't know it's 0 or not, so I am considering it like it is not a zero matrix. It's a matrix of non-zero elements. So there is one here, n minus, you minus 1, 2, 3, 4. It does not it vanishes. But you always have one answer. You always have, because the smallest value of rank of matrix for a non-zero matrix is 1. So you always have one answer. So this is your first point, ki one minor does not vanish. Or also cofactor of at least one element. Cofactor of one element does not vanish. As we know, A inverse kya hota hai? We are saying about adjoint A. Adjoint A is at the bottom. If it is 0, then here A mode for 3 order vanish, 2 order vanish, but 1 is not vanish, so it is not 0. Here also adjoint A is not 0 because it does not vanish. If one minor is not vanish, so your adjoint also not vanish, so it not also comes out to be 0. That's why I can say that adjoint A is not equal to 0. What I do the two things which I got in my formula in class 12. I do both those things. I write both two things in my theoretical concept that gives me the answer. Okay, so we have to apply some concepts here. That's why they are called conceptual question. Now A is a non-zero column and B is a non-zero matrix. Show that row AB is equals to 1. What? Non-zero. It's given it's non-zero column and B is non-zero matrix. Okay, it's also non-zero matrix. A is like this and this is like this. Non-zero row matrix here, row matrix. So I write this is A is your column matrix, means M is your M rows and here is one column, and this is N rows and one column. Okay, now let me do it. Sorry, यहाँ आना था क्या N rows columns are infinite columns है, infinite columns है. We don't know how much columns are there, but here is one row, only one row. How it writes, it's wrong. So what is my answer? My answer is M order N. ठीक है, m mod n is my answer. You have to write in this form. What we have, what we get, since as given a b are non-zero, so smallest rank of a a non-zero matrix is 1. It has 1. I don't know what are the values of a and b, but smallest rank I know, so row ab is equals to 1. I don't know what it is. I just multiply, I write a and b, I just multiply them, but I don't know the values, so I write row ab is equals to 1 because I know it's a non-zero matrix which is given to me. Is that clear to you? Maybe it's clear to you. Okay, now let ab are two square. Square means m is equals to n matrix, means row is equals to column matrix of order n. If row a is equals to row b is equals to n, then show that multiply of a b, a और b, a का जो रैंक है, b का जो रैंक है वो ऑर्डर के इक्वल आया है, देन शो डैट कि ए बी का मल्टीप्लाई भी यही आएगा और इसका कन्वर्स भी शो करो. ओके, रो ए इज इक्वल्स टू एन, दैट इज ए मॉड नॉट इक्वल्स टू जीरो, दैट इज नॉन सिंगुलर. रो बी इज इक्वल्स टू एन, दैट ऑल्सो मीन्स मॉड ए जो है वो नॉट इक्वल्स टू जीरो मीन्स नॉन सिंगुलर. यू ऑलरेडी नो दैट. ओके, सो मैं आई कैन राइट ए बी एज इट इज मॉड ऑफ बोथ एंड गेट देम, उनको इकट्ठा लिख सकता हूँ. ठीक है, ज्वाइन दैम. ए बी मल्टीप्लिकेशन ए और बी का मोड विच इज नॉट इक्वल टू जीरो बिकॉज दे बोथ आर नॉट इक्वल टू जीरो. सो ए बी का मोड क्या देता है आपको? मोड क्या देता है आपको रो ही देता है. तो रो बी इज इक्वल टू एन, एन ए बी ऑर्डर एन ऑर्डर एन. और कन्वर्स कैसे करोगे? आप यहाँ से शुरू करोगे. रो ए बी इज इक्वल टू एन. सो ए बी रो मीन्स ए बी का मोड विद मल्टीप्लिकेशन विच इज नॉन सिंगुलर. तो ए बी को हमने अलग अलग कर लिख दिया ए बी, और फिर हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं ए बी को कि ए का मॉड जीरो के इक्वल नहीं है, बी का भी नहीं है, तो रो बी इक्वल टू एन. कन्वर्स भी हमारा पॉसिबल हो गया, कन्वर्स भी हमारा शो हो गया. ओके, इज दैट क्लियर टू यू? मे बी इट्स क्लियर टू यू. It's important sum, so do where it's right that they are important, so do them as on your copy. Prove that every skew symmetric matrix means transpose of A. If I interchange row and column, then it is equals to minus A of odd order. Odd order means 1 order 1, 3 order 3, 5 order 5, 7 order 7 has rank less than its order. Rank is less than its order means order is big. Order is, मान लो order is 4 less than 3. ठीक है, so order is always less than. So let's get to the point. So A transpose equals to minus A, skew symmetric matrix of odd order. A transpose, I am doing the mode both side. If I am doing modes, then here minus not comes, so minus is outside. I am writing minus n minus 1 power n. What is n? N is the order of A matrix. A is what? Skew symmetric matrix जिसका order क्या है? Odd है. So minus 1 की power odd, 1, 3, 5 gives me again minus. So A mod is equals to minus A. If I get this to this, it will comes to be positive. So it is 2A mod. 2A mod is equals to 0. I am getting 2 here. 0 divided by 2, that is 0. So A mod is equals to 0. Row A B is A mod 0 means it vanishes. It's a singular matrix means अगर इसका 3 ऑर्डर हुआ, ऑड ही ऑर्डर होना है, तो 3 ऑर्डर हुआ तो वो वैनिश कर गया, मतलब ये सिंगुलर आ गया. It comes to be singular matrix, or if it is a singular matrix, then row A is less than n. Okay, is that clear to you? It's very easy and simple sum, or also important. Okay, B is A is a skew symmetric matrix of row A is greater than equals to 2. So that is at least one minor of order 8. What that means? We have to know what that means. It means कि every minor of order 2 of A does not vanish. We have to know what this means. It means we just have to know what this means. You know what this means? This means you have to बस write what this means. It means कि आपका rank 2 है. That's what it means. ठीक है, at least minor of 2 does not vanish. That's what we have to write here. Now we are going to discuss some difficult questions of minor method. Let's get started. So find A so that the rank of A. A निकालना है, आपको मैट्रिक्स दी है, रैंक भी दिया है A का, जो क्या है is less than 3. ऑर्डर क्या है? 3, मतलब n से कम है आपका R. Also find the rank of this values of A. आपने रैंक निकालना है ए की इन वैल्यूज के लिए. आई एम राइटिंग दिस ए मैट्रिक्स 3 ऑर्डर 3, राइटिंग व्हाट आई गेट, व्हाट आई हैव स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स ऑफ ऑर्डर n is 3. Rank of A is less than 3, that is here this A mod is equals to 0 because it's 3 order matrix. So this is as it is 0. I am doing what? Minor method. I am doing minor method. A minus 0, you know how to write it, plus 1. Now 2 into 3, that is 6, 2 into A, that is 2A, or it vanishes. Okay, 1 into 2, that is 2, 1 into 2, that is 2, plus 2 minus 2, it also vanishes. Left is A into 6, that is 6A, A into 2A, that is 2A square. Okay, I am doing this 6A minus 2A square is equals to 0, और equals to 0 कहाँ से आया? यहाँ से. Okay, so I am getting 2 outside, so here 2 3 the 6, 2 1 the 2, so here it comes, and 2 at here, so 0 divided by 2, that is 0. I am getting common A. I am getting common A from here. A is outside, so here A minus 3 left, means here 1A minus 3 left is equals to 0. A is 3 or we can write it. I know you are confusing here. Why? How I write here this? देखो यहाँ से मैंने A बाहर निकाला. I get A outside. So here left is 3 minus A. 1A is left. 3 minus A, that's left, equals to 0. So I also can write this A minus 3, because we have to minus 3. We have to minus 3 from A. What's the value? I don't know, but I have to minus this. So my A comes out to be, I here divide A by 0. I divide here A 0 by A, that is 0. So A comes out to be 1 is value is 0 and second is 3. Now I am putting these values at this positions or getting the values of A and the rank. So A is equals to 0. I am putting here A 0. Now I am solving the mode. I got there exists a minor of order 2A which does not vanish. Only 2 order does not vanish, because when I solve this 0 0 vanish, or when I get this one, 1 into 2, 1 into 2, that is 2 minus 2, that is 0. So it comes out to be singular matrix. So 3 order 3 vanish. Only 2 left, 2 into 3, that is 6, 2 0 0. ठीक है. और when A is equals to 3, we got 2 answers, so we have to solve for A is equals to 3. Now I am solving for this. Okay, this is given. I am writing 3 at the place of A. Now I got 2 rows identical. That means mod of A is equals to 0. So I am writing considering or writing or let a minor part of this, which is non-zero. 3 into 2, that is 6, 1 into 0, that is 6 minus 0, that is 6, row A is equals to 2. There exists a minor of order 2 which does not vanish, or it is is it important? No, it's not important question. Now next question is find the value of x of matrix A of rank 3. Find the value of x. We have to find value of x. Let's get started. Given is A matrix. This is row 1, row 2, row 3, column 1, column 2, column 3. We have to apply here elementary operation. If you want to know what are the elementary operation, in next video we will discuss all about elementary operation, why we have to apply here, because here we have non-real values. That's why we apply here elementary operation. What is given to us? A is a square matrix whose rank and order is equal. ठीक है. As given rank is 3, also order is 3. I am writing A mod. What I am applying? This is your column 1. I am doing column 1 plus column 2, column 3. column 1 में मैं column 2 और column 3 और column 1 तीनों को प्लस कर रहा हूँ, तो ये आ गया. यहाँ पर मैंने कॉमन निकाल लिया. अब आप एक मैट्रिक्स में से वैल्यू को बाहर निकालोगे तो आपको वहाँ पर 1 1 लिखना पड़ेगा. अगर मैं यहाँ 1 1 नहीं लिखता तो मेरा ऑर्डर क्या हो जाता? ये ऑर्डर हो जाता. ठीक है. कितने? मेरी 3 रोज हो जाती. आई हैव 1 2 3 rows or 2 columns if I write in this order. So I can't write, I have to write here 1. I have not to disturb this. Why? Because this sign after applying elementary operation, this sign means equivalent matrix. Equivalent means same order matrix as a given matrix. Same order matrix are given like a matrix. So I have to write here this side, this method. So I have to write 1 here. Okay, is that clear to you? Now next, what I have to do, I am getting SPQR bar outside. Now what I am doing here, R2 minus R1. This is your R2. Here R2 minus R1. That is 1 minus 1, that is 0. X plus Q minus Q cancel. X is left. R minus R, that is 0. R3 1 minus 1, that is 0. Q minus Q, that is 0. x plus r minus r, that is x, only r. Or this is upper triangular matrix, and as we know, in upper triangular matrix we multiply diagonal elements to get what? To get A mod. So I am x p q r is outside, I am multiplying them, that is x square x p q r. Now this is your A ka mod, this is A mod. Here I write by diagonal multiplication, by product of diagonal elements. So rank of A will be 3. Rank of A will be 3. A mod is not equals to 0. What that means? A का mod 0 नहीं हो सकता. Why? Because its given rank is 3. So x square x p q r is not equals to 0. So x की वैल्यू क्या आएगी? एक तो x की वैल्यू आएगी not equals to 0 which is given, और दूसरी वैल्यू क्या आएगी? ये चीजें उधर ले जाओ, माइनस पी क्यू आर. दैट्स इट. ओके, माइनस पी माइनस क्यू माइनस आर, या माइनस पी प्लस क्यू प्लस आर. ओके, इज दैट क्लियर टू यू? Maybe it's an easy sum. Now let's do it. Find the value of x such that rank of A is 3. What we have to do? Value of x निकालो, रैंक आपको गिवन है, पहले से रैंक गिवन है, तो x निकालना है. बिल्कुल सेम सम. आई एम राइटिंग दिस मैट्रिक्स, I am writing what I have, A mod. Now same procedure, column 1 plus column 2 column plus 3, I get x plus A plus BC common. Now I am saying doing same procedure, R2 minus R2 minus R1, R3 minus R1. I am doing same procedure, and here also I get upper triangular matrix product of diagonal elements, and same procedure, and it's also solved. Now next sum. It's very important question. Okay, it's very important here, not written, but it's important question. Now find value of x such that the rank of A is less than equals to. What that means? The value of what? Rank is 2. Rank is 2. This means, okay, this means rank is 2. Also find the rank for values of x. We have to find x and values of x. So here is that. So A mod, I am solving it. It is not 3, it's a 3 order, it's not 3. So I am after solving it, I am getting it. I have see here carefully what I do here. 4 into 4 minus x into 4 minus x, root 5 into root 5. ठीक है, 2 root 5 into 4 minus x, 2 root 5 into 4 minus x, और ये 0 वाला तो रहेगा ही नहीं. 0 into root 5, that is also 0, और 0 वाला ऐसे. तो 4 into 4x, this is 4 minus x का square, that is root 5 का square. Okay, and that is 2 root 5 as it is. 2 root 5 into 4 minus x. I am solving here. ठीक है, आपकी बुक में इतना एक्सप्लेन नहीं है, तो यहाँ पर मैंने रेफरेंस बुक से एक्सप्लेन किया है. 4 minus x का स्क्वायर, that is a minus b का स्क्वायर, which is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. You know this formula ना? तो a square x square plus 16 4 का स्क्वायर, 16 plus 2 4 8 with negative sign x. Okay, now root 5 का square, root और square cancel out, so 5 is what I left. 2 root 5 into 2 root 5, that is 20. You know that already. और 4 minus x as it is रहने दो, और अब इसे a equation में ऐसे लिख दिया. Okay, I write it as it is. Now 4 minus x is what I do. 4 minus x common in this equation. Here also at the last I have 4 minus x, or here also I have 4 minus x. Here it's also I have 4 minus x. ठीक है, here's the equation. I am getting this 20 inside. So 20 minus 20 minus 5, that is minus 25. Now minus 25. Now what I am doing here? I am doing 4 minus x as it is, x square as it is. I am rearranging it. 16 I am getting here, minus 8x as it is. I am writing minus 5 minus 25 as it is. I am not doing nothing here. Now 4 minus x, x square minus 8x minus 9. What it is? This is the form of a plus b. I am writing. I am solving it here. In your reference book, it's not solved. I am writing here x square minus 8x minus 9. How it can be solved? I am making factors of it. 9 minus x, 9x minus x, that is 8x, or that 9 into x, that is minus 9, that gives you minus 9. So 9 into 1, that is here 1, it means 1. 9 into x is minus 1. So here I am writing factors. X is common, x minus 9, or here 1 is by outside, and here is also x minus 9. So x plus 1, x minus 9. Here I write it here. X square 16x minus 8x gives you this. Okay, yeah, it's here. Okay, after this 25 and 16 minus that gives you 9. Okay, that is what this gives you. What this gives you, that is 25. Minus 25 plus 16, that gives you minus 9. Okay, so here x is equals to 4, x is equals to 9, x is equals to 1. It comes out to be, why it comes out to be this? Because 4 minus x also equals to 0. Why it's 0? Because rank is 2 and I am solving 3 order 3 matrix. So I am giving this 2 equal to 0. So it's equals to 0. 4, 9, minus 1 is my answers. Now I have to find values of x for this. Now I am doing this. So x is equal to 4, main diagonal element. I am putting the values in main. I am putting these values. If I solve it by root, I also got it 0. Also diagonal elements are 0. You can see here also diagonal elements are 0. So what is 0? It's a property of the matrix. If you don't know this, you have to solve it. If you solve it in binary method, you also got 0. After solving this, also rho AB is equals to 2. If you don't know this, if you forget about this, you do not want to solve it, you know rank is less than 2. So if I write it in 3 order 3, it also is 0. Why it is 0? Because it's given rank is 2. So I have to solve 2 order 2 matrix, which is given. If x is equals to 9, I am putting the value 9 here. So here is 4 minus 9, that is minus 5. So here I put it. Okay, then I also know ki rho is less than 2. Also diagonal elements are same, so the rank is 0. Okay, so the it is 0 as rho is less than 2. So I solve for 2 order 2 minor, which gives me the answer. Also x ki value minus 1. If I put here minus 1, 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1, that is 5. 4 minus 1, that is 5. That is 3. 4 minus 1, it's something wrong here. Okay, so I am writing here rho A is less than equals to 2. I have to solve it. Okay, if you write it 4 minus x. Okay, so 4 minus 1, that gives you 4 plus 1, that is 5. So here, that's why here I write 5. Okay, I have to write it in explain form. Next time I will write it like this. So I also know rho is less than 2, so I have to solve like this. Okay, is that clear to you now? Find the value of it's an easy sum. You have to do nothing. You have to just solve this difficult equation and then put the values of x. Now find the value of x such that the rank of matrix is less than 3. It's given, means it's 2 or 1. It's 2 or 1. Find the rank of the values of x. Same procedure as we are doing this sum. I am applying same procedure, column 1 plus column 2, column plus 3. I am getting something out, writing here 1 1. Now applying operations. I got echelon form. I got what? I got echelon form. That gives you your fourth method. This is your fourth method. This is your upper triangular matrix. Multiplying this, I get this values. Now also find the value of x. I have to just put the values here and I am getting values. That's really a easy sum. Maybe you can do this sum by your own. It's easy sum. Now, under what condition, if and only the rank of matrix, what I here, x is equals to 2 by 3. Here put 3 into 2 by 3. This cancel out. Minus 8. So 2 minus 8. That gives you minus 6. Over here I write it minus 6. Okay? So as we know it's 2, it's less than 3, that is 2 or 1. So I solve it for 2. Also I solve it for 2. It comes identical, that's why it's easily solved. For what condition, if the value of the rank of matrix is less than 3, what will be the rank? This is given. What I am doing here, this is an important sum. Here is not written. Let me write here. It's an important sum. So let A is here. The rank will be less than 3 if every minor of 4. उन्होंने कहा है कि rank is less than 3. Less than 3 means minor of 3 vanish. So here I am writing a 3 order minor. I am writing a 3 order minor. Why I am writing here this, not this row? Why? Because it contains k, one more real number. I have to find value of h. So that's why I am writing first, second and fourth row. And I write it and I got h is equals to 2. Now I am writing one more minor. Here I am putting the value of h, which is 2. 2 minus 2, that is 0. So here I get k. After getting the value of k, I just write 4 order 4 matrix and 4 order format, I put the values of h and k. After putting the values of h and k, I am getting what? I am getting 4 and 3 vanishes. If we do this, we get 4 and 3 is equals to 0. How we get it? Because after solving, if you have to solve 3 order 3 mode, if we solve 3 order 3 mode like this, if you don't know how to solve 4 order 4 mode, you have to just solve 3 order 3 mode. If you solve here 3 order 3 mode like this 2 vanishes, or also 0 into 4, that is 0, 0 into 2, that is also 0, so it also vanished. We have only two order things, that is 1 0, I am getting this 1 0, and 0 3, I am getting this one 0 3, one row and one column, which gives me what? Less, which gives me non-zero answer. Why I am getting this? Because I know it is less than 3. Less than 3 means 2 or 1. So I am getting 2 here, non-singular row is equals to 2. Find the rank of A matrix x, y, z are being real. As we know x, y, z is being real. A mod is equals to 1 x cube. This is given. I am solving what? I am solving mod. After solving mod, I get these things. X minus y, y minus z, z minus x, x plus y plus z. Okay, I solved it out. So x plus y plus z are different. There are 3 cases. If x, y, z are real values, if they are different, their answer is 3. Okay, if they are different, if I put here 1, 2, 3, 6 different values. 1 ka square, that is 1. 2 का square changes, 3 का square changes. So I have different values. If two values are same, but one value is different. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर भी मैंने 1 किया, यहाँ पर भी मैंने 1 किया, तो 1 का स्क्वायर दैट इज आइडेंटिकल. ठीक है, कॉलम्स आर आइडेंटिकल, सो इफ कॉलम्स आर आइडेंटिकल दैट इज 0. So 3 mod is equals to 0, so I have to solve 2, so my answer is 2 order 2. If x, y, z 3 out of 3 are equal, so here I write 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 cube 1 cube 1 cube, so that is 1 1 1, that is 1 1 1, that is 1 1 1, so that's are identical. So answer is row A is equals to 1, means smallest rank. Now this is very important sum. Prove that the 3 points x1 y1 x2 y1 x3 are in one plane, means this plane are in this plane, this one plane means x or y plane. Like this is your y plane, this is your x plane. They are in this plane, x y plane, they are in this plane. So how I write it? I am using area of triangle formed by then is 0. If they are in one plane, I am considering that they are in one plane, means they are collinear. I am considering that. Then 1 upon 2, that means this 3 order is less than 3. Less than 3, that is 2 or 1, less than 3. Means A mod 0 हो जाएगा. A mod 0 हो जाएगा. Here I write A mod 0. 1 by 2 upon 0, that is 0. That's what I have. Now, after solving it, as we say, they are collinear. Means A mod is equals to 0. That means 1 by 2 is also 0. So I can write it like that is a singular matrix. A is equals to 0. Now I am solving the converse. What I do here, I have just considered that they are collinear. That is given me. That's also given me they are collinear. So I write here as it is less than 3. As it is less than 3, that means it's 2 or 1. So here I write zeros. 1 upon 2 into 0, that is 0. That's why I write here A mod is equal to 0, because they are collinear. Or also 1 by 2 can't multiply with this because it is divided by 0, which is 0. Okay, converse. How to write converse? First I write they are less than 0. That is less than 0 means 1 by 2 here. By using the formula, that is 1 by 2. So here 1 by 2 also divided by 0, that is also 0. That gives me converse. वापस यही आ जाएगा. तो that is I can write this thing कि they are all vanished. So the points are collinear. Okay. Now this is last question of this exercise. Find the rank of each matrix A, B, C are real. So A, this is given to me. I am applying the same operation. Column 2, this is different operations from different sums. Those sums I am applying elementary operation. We have to apply elementary operation. Column 2, this is your column 2 minus column 1. तो कॉलम 2 में चेंज कर रहे हैं, कॉलम 1 कॉलम 3 में. और फिर एक्सपेंड, हेयर आई गेट 1 AA 0 0. आई एम डूइंग व्हाट? आई एम एक्सपेंडिंग बाय कॉलम 1 और रो 1. मीन्स आई एम एक्सपेंडिंग A1 वाला एलिमेंट, 1 रो 1 कॉलम. व्हाट दैट मीन्स? That means rank is 3, because as we know elementary operation means, or this sign means equivalent, because this means same order as given matrix. So it also in this form is 3 order 3. It seems like that it is 2 order 2, but in reality we do a elementary operation, which means it's also 3 order 3 according to elementary operation. Like this elementary operation, we write it in this form, this is 2 order 2, but in reality it is 3 order 3. We apply just a operation here, okay, a column or elementary transformation. Okay, so here I write it like this. So what I here get b minus a or c minus a common. So just by solve it, 1 into ca, b into ca, by solving it I have 3 cases. a b c are different, बिल्कुल सेम केस पिछली बारी की तरह, ठीक है, हमारे पिछले सम की तरह ए बी सी डिफरेंट होंगे तो 3 आएगा. ए बी सी अगर 2 वैल्यू सेम होंगी तो हमारा 2 आएगा, और अगर तीनों वैल्यू सेम होंगी तो हमारा 1 आएगा. इज दैट क्लियर टू यू? दैट्स ऑल अबाउट माइनर मेथड. इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट एलिमेंट्री ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑपरेशन, विच इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. वी हैव टू know what is the method. So I write here the method of elementary operation. If you want to know, then watch next video carefully. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you so much for watching this video.